3-4 minutes, the coffee. Because the coffee go inside the water, and it's very nice stay many times with the water because the water take all the aroma from the coffee. Now, after 1 minute, all the coffee go on the bottoms, and you drink the aroma, the water with aroma.
Shall I?
Okay, yes. Yeah, are you waiter? Go on the table.
Genau.
When do you open it? Thank you for having us today. So can you tell me how the farm for a day goes again? The farmer for a day.
Thursday, every Thursday,
Yeah.
11 o'clock.
And the program?
The program is come and just here. We explain everything about the farmer and let go in good oven. It's ready. We have ready an oven and the bread. We explain how we make with flour and to put in the oven. Let's come back here in the square of village and the adults make stuffed vegetarian, tomato, cucumber, paprika, aubergine with rice. And the children go inside in the workshop and make pizza. Pizza for only vegetarian. Tomato, paprika, champignon, and this. And the children make, because it's too good often, take the pizza. Of course, the system is write the name in the hot and in the plate, and every child know which pizza is. Yes. After 20 minutes, they write the bread. Go again in good oven. Came out the bread. We take in the bread and try immediately over there in the Stein table with fresh olive oil and maybe salt. Go to the farmer. Then is ready our vegetarian garden. We can take tomato or cucumber and bring here for our salad. And let's come again to Square of Village after the tour and meet chicken goat make the milk immediately
you
cheese.
milk the goat.
Yes. And of course, our chef is here with with fire and make immediately the milk cheese.
Milk cheese,
Yes,
yeah.
with traditional style,
Yeah.
with some vinegar or lemon. We try fresh cheese and it come for the lunch. And the guest have alone make bread, stuffed vegetarian, vegetarian pizza, and the cheese for the cheese pie after the lunch dessert with honey. And we make the cheese pie here, Action.
Yes. Wow. That's nice. And then
I
everyone.
have photographies. Have a good time, and we wait again.